Imagine getting every website lead directly on Telegram. No email, no CRM, no delay. Today I will show you how to build a powerful lead generation form that works on any website. Let's quickly see the live demo. Now here I will enter name, email, and phone number. Then I will enter a message and I will click on submit button. Now if you look at my Telegram, you can see I have received all these details immediately. Let's try one more example. I will enter another name, email, phone number and message. And click submit again. As you can see, I received these details instantly as well. So to create this exact setup, watch this video till the end and follow every step carefully. If you skip any part, the application may not work properly. So I strongly recommend watching the complete video. Now click the link in the description below and download the zip file called leadsoftware.zip. Once the download is complete, extract or unzip the file on your system. Once the file is unzipped, make sure you have Python and Node.js installed on your computer. If not, please install them first because this project requires Python for the backend, React for the frontend. Now open this folder in any code editor. I will be using Visual Studio Code. Okay, once we open the lead software project folder, we will see two folders, backend and frontend. So now we will open a new terminal in VS Code editor. Now we will do cd backend to get into the backend folder. Okay, now we are in a backend folder. Now we need to create a virtual environment. To create a virtual environment, we need to run a following command. Now, if you can see, in the backend folder, the virtual environment is created. Now the next step is to activate this virtual environment. To activate this virtual environment, we need to run a following command. Now you can see the virtual environment is activated. After activating the virtual environment, we will run the following command. This command will install all the dependencies present in the requirements.txt file which required to run this backend code. So we have installed all these dependencies. Now we need to run this main.py file. To run this main.py file, we need to run a following command. Now, as you can see, backend is running successfully. Now what we need to do is we need to keep backend running as it is, and then we will open a new terminal. Now we will get into the folder called Frontend. To get into the folder Frontend, we need to do cd Frontend. Okay, now we are in the Frontend folder, and now we need to run a following command, which is npm install to install all the packages required. Now as you can see, all the packages are installed. To confirm, check node modules folder is available. Okay, now we will run a front-end code. To run a front-end code, we will run npm run dev. Now once we run npm run dev, it will give an URL in which a front-end code will be running. We will open that code. Our front-end and back-end code are running successfully. Now we will move to next step, where we will set up a Telegram to receive all the details filled in this form. To do so, open Telegram and in the search bar, type as it is displayed on the screen. Now type /start now type /new bot. Now enter a bot name. You can give any name to your bot. I am giving my bot, my lead bot. I will give a name as a my lead bot. Yeah, that would be fine. Okay, now I need to give a username for this bot. So I will give an username as KS something, KS Studio, yes, KS bot, something like that. Let's try. This username is already taken, so I will give KS Toolcraft Studio bot. Yeah, make sure it should end with _bot. Okay, now if you can see, it has generated an API token. This is a very important thing. We need to copy this API token and keep it saved somewhere. I will just copy this and I will just paste it in Notepad or somewhere. Okay, go back to Telegram again and search @userinfobot. Click on the user info ID bot. Okay, now click on start. Okay, it will give you a chart ID. This is an important thing. We need to copy this chart ID safely. I will copy it. Okay. Okay, now go back to Telegram again and search for the bot that you have created. Search it by @ and the username that you have given to it. So the username that I gave is KS Toolcraft Studio _bot. Okay, so here is my bot that I have created. Now you need to click on the start button. Okay, now your bot has been started. As soon as a user submits the form on your website, every detail is delivered instantly to this Telegram bot. Now I have copied my API token in Notepad and as well as chart ID. So what you need to do is copy your API token and go to your project, and in Backend folder search for .env file. In .env file under Telegram bot token, paste your API token and save it, and copy your chart ID and go to the .env file again and paste it under Telegram chart ID and save it. Now your application will work successfully. Now open your frontend, and whenever user fills this form and clicks on submit, you will get all these details instantly in your Telegram bot. If you found this useful, hit the like button, share this video and drop a comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more real world projects and automation tutorials. Thank you.